a.m. At 5:18 a.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles south of Poolville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Weatherford around 6:05 a.m., Hudson Oaks around 6:10 a.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed.